All right, for this assignment, we're doing some real world problems that we are going to use algebra to help us solve. Algebra is one strategy that can be really helpful to help us solve some real world problems. So that's what we're going to practice. There's going to be two parts. The first part is just going to be writing an expression, and then the next part is going to be using that expression to get a number answer. Okay, these are not ones that you'll see, but these are just some practice ones. So Raul has 5 boxes of golf balls. Each box contains Y golf balls. His father gives him another 8 golf balls. Find the total number of golf balls Raul has in terms of Y. In terms of Y simply means there's going to be a Y in my answer. Now I know I have 5 boxes, and I know that each box has Y in it. I also know he has another 8, okay, that apparently aren't in a box or whatever. So I'm going to write the total, but I'm just going to write an expression. Now I could write Y plus Y plus Y plus Y plus Y plus 8, or I can say, okay, there's 5 times Y in each one plus 8 represents how many golf balls that Raul has. That's my answer for A, because it says in terms of Y, so it's okay that I have a Y in there. Now for B, it tells me what Y equals, so I can get a number. Y equals 4. So I'm going to take my expression that I just wrote. I'm going to put 4 in where Y is. 5 times Y, or 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. And I'm going to add on my 8. So he has 28 golf balls. Okay? Notice how I wrote that expression, then I used that expression. Another example. Glenda bought Z containers of laundry detergent at $9 each. She gave the cashier $50. Okay, so find the change Glenda received. Well, if I think, okay, what does change mean? Change means that if I spend, say, $5 and I give the cashier a 20, I have to do 20 minus however much it cost to find the change. The change is the difference between what it cost and what I gave them. So I know I'm going to be minusing. Now, she bought some number of containers. I don't know how many. It could have been 3, it could have been 10, it could have been 50. I don't know. Probably not 50. That'd be a lot. That'd be $50 wouldn't cover that. But I do know that each one costs $9. Okay, I don't know how many groups, but I know I'm going to do 9 times some number of groups, Z number of groups. Okay, that was how much it would cost her. And I know I need to find the change, so I need to do 50 minus however much she spent. Because she spent $9 times however many containers she bought. And the subtraction is how I can find the change that she got. That's my answer in terms of Z. So my answer has a Z in it. Now, if Z equals 3, I can actually figure out how much change she did receive. So I'm going to take my expression. I'm going to multiply 9 times 3 now because I know how much Z is. Remember, I have to use my order of operations now. I have to multiply before I subtract. So I'm going to multiply 9 times 3, which is 27. And then I need to do 50 minus 27. Go over here. 50 minus 27. I need to borrow. Oh, that's not a 3. That'd be a 4. Because I can't do 0 minus 7. So that turns into a 10. Because I gave it one from next door. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I know that she received $23. You are going to do the same thing. There's an A and a B. It's not multiple choice. Sometimes when we see A and B, we think multiple choice. You'll do both parts. So you'll have an A where you write the expression, and then your B, you'll have a number as an answer because they tell you what the variable is equal to. Okay, again, Find in terms of n. So you're writing an expression. Then you're getting a number. Ooh, number 3 is a little bit different. Because notice A says express your answer in cents. B is express your answer in dollars. So that'll be a little bit of a challenge. And then for A and B, A is the expression, B is the number answer. I should say with 3, remember that there's 100 cents in $1. So if I have, say, $3, I can multiply by 100, and that's 300 cents. Or if I have $4.55, that's the same thing as 455 cents. So keep that in mind. Also, notice it says every day, and then it asks how much money he has left after 1 week. So we know, okay, that's 7 days, right? So he spends G every day. So 1 week, he'd spend 7G. He started with $5. So think, okay, do I need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide that? And I should also say, if it's in cents, he started with 500 cents. And then we are either adding or subtracting that 7G because that's how many cents he spent every day. All right, good luck. Let me know if you need help with these. Almost forgot. Your code word for today is actually 2 words because it's more of like a title. So it's vice president. It's the last must do for this week. So that will finish out the sentence for this week. Good luck.